we are covering the critical task of specimen labeling at the bedside for your phlebotomy exam, a topic that is directly linked to a major national patient safety goal from the Joint Commission. The absolute non-negotiable rule is to label all specimen tubes immediately after the blood draw, at the patient's side before you leave their presence. Your exam will present scenarios designed to test this rule. For instance, a question might describe a situation where you are in a rush and ask if it's acceptable to take the tubes to the nursing station to label them. The correct answer is always no. Leaving the room before labeling introduces a significant risk of mixing up specimens, which can lead to catastrophic patient outcomes. Another major exam trap is pre-labeling. You should never, under any circumstances, print out labels and apply them to tubes before you have collected the blood. This is a guaranteed way to fail an exam question because it creates a high risk of putting the wrong label on a patient's tube. The correct procedure, which you must know for the exam, involves positively identifying the patient with at least 2 unique identifiers, like their full name and date of birth before the draw. After the draw, you must label each tube with that same essential information: the patient's full first and last name, a second unique identifier like their date of birth or medical record number, the exact date and time of collection, and your own initials or identification. The consequences of mislabeling are severe and a focus of regulatory bodies. A mislabeled sample can lead to a misdiagnosis, incorrect treatment, or a life-threatening transfusion reaction. A major incompatible blood transfusion reaction resulting from a mislabeled specimen is considered a sentinel event by the Joint Commission. A sentinel event is a patient safety event that results in death, permanent harm, or severe temporary harm and signals the need for immediate investigation and response. To help you remember the core principle, use this mnemonic, L.A.B, which stands for Label at Bedside with patient name and ID, plus your initials and info. This simple phrase covers the when, where, and what of proper specimen labeling. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.